Okay, now I'm going to do a quick unboxing of my new monitor that just came this morning. It's the Lenovo L27Q30. Just breaking out my trusty Susami knife. And it's not a very big box. Maybe some Russian writing down here. So the resolution of this monitor is 2560 by 1440. And reason why I'm doing the video today is because I don't think there's been an unboxing done of this monitor for some reason. It hasn't even been a review done. So it comes with HDMI cables, power cord. I'm not sure what this is. Probably a warranty of some sort. The base, which looks nice, plain oval base. And this is the mechanism that kind of connects the base with the monitor. Put this aside. And this is the monitor panel itself. Just wondering, how do I get this out of here without breaking it? It's not much to it in terms of the box. And I'm going to be doing a comparison video after I get this monitor assembled to kind of compare it against that monitor, which is a 24-inch. So I'm sure a lot of people might be contemplating getting a bigger monitor, right? So this is definitely bigger, as you can see, to replace a pretty standard size, which is a 24-inch. So once I get everything set up, we'll come back and revisit the comparison.
One eternity later.
I just wanted to show you how easy this monitor is to assemble, right? Comes with just these two pieces in the box, and the way to kind of get it set up, you don't need any tools whatsoever. All you need to do is just to, connect this piece like so, and everything just kind of snaps into place. There are like little clips behind. You heard that snap into place. And as for the other piece down here, you can see there's this metal plate down here. All I need to do is kind of slide it into this recess and it snaps into place down here. And I guess this piece here is for cable management, which is pretty useful as well. So I'm just gonna flip this around. And there you go. I mean, pretty easy install. Just to give you a kind of an overview of what two monitors look like. As I mentioned earlier on, this is a 24-inch and this is 27-inch. Different resolutions. That's a full HD 1920 by 1080, and this is 2560 by 1440.